How to make and create creative book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for book cover. Click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find creative book cover. Click on see all, choose any template you want from here. You have this one. It looks so professional, as you can see, and you can change the text from here. Very easy and fast. After you finish editing, click share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.